Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest Team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing evolution stories. There are 5 characters left, like Clay, Callum, Grant, Ramos, and Roxie over here. I think we'll do Roxie first, guys. Reach level 30 to unlock Roxie and Whirlipede. So, without further ado, I think she's stuck at level 1 right now. Yep, she is stuck at level 1. Let's give her a couple of 3-star level up manuals. I'm going to skip once this reaches level 20. Just to speed the battle up. Or speed this video up. And skip.
We are fired up and ready to dish it out like never before.
Woohoo! And guys, like all my previous evolution story videos, we're going to refresh ourselves with her Sync Pair story, A Day with Roxie. We'll just do it once, first option. And there you have it, guys. Roxie, A Day with Roxie. Yes.
Hey,
You got it.
not bad.
Some heavy metal.
Let's go. Not bad.
Was I that terrible?
Come on. Got a sec? Rockin'. I'm counting on you.
Will you root for me? Oh, really? And with that said, that was Roxie's Sync Pair story. Time to evolve Whirlipede. Here we go, guys. We have 101 out of 5. This will go down to 96. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 96. And less than 100 now.
Hey.
Coughing band.
I'm inspired. Rockin'. Coming at ya.
Kaboom!
Let's go.
Let's battle.
Let's go. Kabam.
Guys, I wanna show you the sync move of Whirlipede before we evolve. So we'll try our best to use the sync move. 5, so let's just use Poison Tail.
We're not done yet.
Good.
We've got a chance here. All right. Go! All right! You got this! You're winning this! You got this!
Sing move time, guys.
You're winning this! Go! Kaboom! Let's rock!
Nicely done.
That was
Time
surprising.
to evolve.
Rockin'! Kaboom! We are rocking this! Huh? Huh? Rad!
Woohoo! Let's do it. Let's do it.
We're climbing higher up the charts!
Radical poison jab. Let's try it out right now, guys. Right now. Repeating Whirlipede's evolution, except it's a Scolipede this time. In the battle, not in the story. I'm gonna skip the conversation
Hey!
and battle right now.
Let's go! Kabam! Yeah! Let's rock!
Same thing.
Go! You got this! All right! We've got a chance here! All right! You got this! You're winning this! You got this! You're winning this!
Sing move time, guys.
Kaboom! Let's rock!
Awesome.
That was surprising.
And with that said, guys, that's the end of this
We are
video.
rocking this.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you did, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. And there are a couple of evolution stories to go. I'll see you guys in one of those videos. Or in all of those videos.